Yo guys, Crypto Doge here, back with another video teaching you guys how to make passive income in cryptocurrency. So in this video, we're really going to be going over Chain Group and talking about how to make long-term stable profit with them. This website is really my favorite investment at the moment, and I'm definitely going to get my total investment up to past $1,000 extremely soon, guys. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be upping my investment. I'm going to be talking to you guys about which are the best trade groups and which ones you should be investing in, okay guys? So also what I want to talk about before we start the video is I'm going to be doing some giveaways using Chain Group, guys. So all you have to do to be in the giveaway is sign up on my link and do a deposit. It doesn't have to be that big of a deposit, but pretty much what I'm going to do every single Chain Group video I make, I'm probably going to be making an update video on Chain Group probably once a week, something like that. Depends if something big happens, if I do a big deposit or something like that. But every time I make a video talking about Chain Group, I'm gonna go here into my referrals here, and anyone who has deposited money here into this website, I'm gonna be going to you and sending you, I think I'm gonna do $10 or $20 I'm gonna send to you guys. So let's say I want to do it to him, right? You can press on the person and you can press send funds, okay? And then you can actually send a specific amount. So let's say I want to send $20. I can actually send him $20, and then it would just be a little bit of a fee. But yeah, you can send $20. So if you do want to be entered into this giveaway, I'm just going to be picking from between everybody on my Chain Group referral list, everyone who has deposited, okay? I'm also going to be making a video very soon for people who are not on my Chain Group list, a different giveaway, but this giveaway is for Chain Group specifically. But either way, this is a very good investment, Chain Group. So even if you aren't getting, even if you do not win the giveaway, it's still going to be very profitable for you. But I'm just saying it's actually just an extra compensation that you can get, is you have actually a really good chance of winning this giveaway, since I do not have many referrals. So if you do want to get into this, you can actually get some extra payday, guys, from my giveaway. So we're gonna be going over the best trade groups in for the moment, okay guys? And there's pretty much two top ones, okay, I'm gonna be talking about, okay? If you go to profit the last 30 days, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys about which ones are the two best ones. One of them I'm not invested in, but I definitely want to get invested in. I'm going to tell you guys why I'm not invested in it at the moment. But yeah, so let's start with Dragon Foundation. As you guys can see, if I go to my dashboard here, I'm mostly invested into Dragon Foundation. I have a small investment into BitStrong, but definitely Dragon Foundation is my big base here, okay guys? And we're going to talk about why this is an amazing group to invest in. And if you guys want to invest in Dragon Foundation, just to remind you guys, you got to invest very quickly, because Dragon Foundation will be shutting down taking new investments on the 20th. So that's in how many days? That's in 9 days, guys. So you better invest in them very quickly. And also I want to talk about how since they are not accepting any new investments after the 20th, that just proves to us that how legitimate this website is, and how Dragon Foundation does not want to take any more money. Because if they're a illegitimate website, they would try to take as much money from us as possible, right? So it's kind of obvious that they're pretty reliable and pretty legitimate if they're not wanting any more deposits. So if we go to Dragon Foundation here, guys, as you guys can see, minimum deposit $10, which is good, very small. Okay, maximum very high, obviously, but this is what's amazing about this, the deposit term, 180 days, guys. That is just crazy. That is so high. And look at these percentages, freaking amazing, over 2% a day, guys. Okay, if you can see here, service has started. It's been going on for 164 days, which means it hasn't even been a full deposit term, as you guys can see. And they have already gained 454%, guys, in this 164 days. That's just crazy, considering it hasn't even been 180 full days yet. So that means you're gonna get at least around this much, 450%, probably maybe up to 500% once this is at 180 days, which is just crazy. Okay, this is just insane to see the just crazy profits from this. high percentages. And this group is very stable, over 2% all the time. There was a down day here about a month ago, but that was a long time ago. But really just very stable, around 2.2, 2.4% per day. Some days at around 2%, but very, very good. 64% in the last 30 days, very great, and then 454% all over. This is just crazy good, guys. Very stable profits and low minimum and very high deposit term, which is very, very profitable, which makes this very, very profitable. Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys about the second, my other favorite one. I wouldn't say Dragon's the best, but I would say actually Dragon's my second best after. Before, I used to say that BitStrong was actually the second best one because the percentages are pretty high, but the deposit term is lower. But now, honestly, the best one I think at the moment is XBots, okay? Just because of the sheer insane profits, 82% in the last 30 days. As you guys can see, Dragon has 64% in the last 30 days, so even way higher than Dragon, okay? The bad thing about XBots, the deposit term, 90 days, when Dragon is 180 days. The thing is, though, with XBots, you're getting your profit a lot faster, so it's more of a short term, okay, guys? If you want to get your profit out faster, definitely go with XBots. If you want to get your profit more long-term investment, but making a little bit lower amounts, but still huge amounts daily, go with Dragon Foundation. Also, the thing that kind of sucks with XBots is the minimum's 250. It's a little bit high, but it's definitely doable for people to get into, okay? So I think definitely my next investment might be in XBots at one point if I'm going to do a decent investment into one of these groups, right? So I'm also going to show you guys how to invest in. I'm going to do a reinvest into Dragon Foundation just to show you guys. But yeah, so XBots, Dragon Foundation, the two big boys in Chain Group, okay? So definitely recommend both of these to you. Definitely, if you don't have 250 to invest, I would definitely get into Dragon. But if you have over 250 to invest, I'd definitely get into XBots, and then maybe if you want to reinvest, then reinvest into Dragon Foundation. I think that's a good idea to start off as. So let's reinvest into Dragon Foundation here. This is like 2 days of profit, so I'm getting a ton from this, guys. Dragon Foundation has been very good to me. I'll show you guys my investments after and how the ROI is doing on them, okay? So read and understood. So let's go reinvest. Now our total is over $700, which is really good since we started at like $300 or something. So, and this line, as you can see, is slowly going up, right? As you guys can see, at the beginning of the month it was like at $10, but now it's getting up to $15. It just keeps going higher, guys. Very good with Chain Group. I'm really loving this website, okay? So if we go to here, 23 investments to Dragon Foundation, a ton of reinvesting, right? If we go to the bottom, right, my first investments, 132% ROI, so I've made profit on this. 123, 119, 114, 110, 105, 100. So all up till here, this is all profit, okay? But then I started reinvesting, right? So, and also adding a bit more money. So 96%, 91%, 88, 84, 82, 79, 56, 50, blah, 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 going all the way down to the investment I did right now, which is 0%, of course, right? So this is just amazing, the profits on here. Like, when did I start this? October 14th, right? And it's still going until May or something, okay? May 11th, this continues till. That is just insane. Starting from October all the way till May, I still have months and months and months and months and months and months and months on this investment when I've already made my ROI plus an extra 32% on it, which is just insane, guys. If we go here to history, we can see all of my actual deposits here. I've put 40, 11, 21, 30, blah, 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 blah. I think this is actually, yeah, this is all my loaded funds. So if we go on a calculator here, let's calculate how much I've invested, okay? Around, okay? So 40 plus 11 plus 21 plus 30 plus 17 plus 17 plus 166 plus 28 plus 94, okay? So I've only really invested $424, and from that I've grown it up to $728. So I've pretty much doubled it in about a month and a half, which is amazing. And I think I did actually some withdrawals, did I? I'm not sure if I did a withdrawal or not. Yeah, I also did a ton of withdrawing. Oh my god, guys, I didn't even realize I did that much withdrawing. Whoops, I didn't even realize I did that much withdrawing. Wow, that's actually a lot. 18. Let's add this up, how much I've actually withdrawn from the website. 145 plus 69 plus 131 plus 34. Okay, so I've actually withdrawn $442. I go back in the video to see. I think I've got my ROI. So I've actually got my ROI back, guys. I've withdrawn about the exact amount that I've deposited into this website, which means everything in here now is pure profit. Everything I'm getting, plus with this 728 invested. That is actually insane. I didn't even know I took out that much money, guys. That is actually really insane. So I've gotten all of my money out of this website, and now I'm just reinvesting. All this is complete profit. Every single day I'm making pure profit of over $15, and it's only getting bigger every single day, right? Because if I reinvest that $15 I'm getting per day, right? 15 times 0.002, whoops, 0.024-ish. That means it's adding an extra 36 cents a day that I'm getting every single day, and then it keeps increasing, keeps increasing, guys. So I'm just gonna keep this, get this line, keep going higher, get it to at least $20. I want it to get to $20 daily profits is when I'm gonna start getting a ton of money. Okay, guys. So I'm telling you guys, this is a hugely good investment, and as you guys can see, you don't really need many referrals, right? I do have a couple of referrals, but that's honestly not my highest profit. I'm getting mostly profit for my actual investments, guys. So the referrals do not matter. So like I said, though, if you do want to be into my get into my contest to give my giveaway for Bitcoin on here, I'm going to be doing this on Chain Group. So if you guys want to use my link in the description below, this is an amazing platform. I would say this and Genesis Mining are my favorite platforms at the moment, but Genesis Mining is pretty much sold out on every single contracts, which sucks. So that's why. So yeah, my link will be in the description below. If you guys want to do an investment, you're actually going to have a very good chance of making some extra money that I'm going to give away to one of you guys. So that's actually a bit of what's it called? I don't know the word, but it's going to make you guys want to deposit even more into this website when it's already very, very profitable. So that's really all I had to talk about in this video, guys. Definitely best trade groups, like I said, XBots, Dragon Foundation, perfect, guys. Also, I'm going to be starting a Discord group very soon. I'm going to be talking about it in another video in a couple of days, probably. I'm going to be starting a Discord group talking about all these investment platforms and kind of helping each other out to make more profit in all these investment platforms. So I'm going to tell you guys for sure when that Discord group is out. But I'll see you guys in the next one. I think this is a very good opportunity to invest in. So, but yeah, just make your own decisions, guys. Dragon or XBots for sure. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.